what's up? It's your girl Nicole, aka Lil MCK. Too busy being an icon and shit.
I am just an icon living. I am just an icon living. Icon living. I am just an icon living. I am just an icon.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing something different. It is still curly hair related, but it's different. I'm going to show you how it is that I lay my edges. I get asked all the time, Nicole, how do you lay your edges? What do you use to keep my edges in check, to stop them from breaking and all that kind of stuff? So I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna make a video explaining my edges and talking about how I lay them, how I get them to look the way that they do. So if you guys want to see how I lay my edges, then just keep watching. Okay, so for a little disclaimer before I even start talking about my edges and how I lay them, I just want to let you guys know that what I use might not necessarily work for you. I have a different texture to most people. Everybody has a different texture. I don't like the look of hard edges. I don't like the look of edges that you can tell you put a ton of product on them that look really crunchy. I despise it, I hate it, it jars me, it's a pet peeve, it's cringy, it's just not. No, I like edges on me specifically, okay, that look really soft, really natural. They look like they just naturally flowing in that direction, even though mine kind of does, but they look like, you know, they're just naturally flowing in that direction and it doesn't look like I put anything on them. That's the kind of edges I like. And in terms of the product consistency that I like gels, but aren't very, very stiff gels. I like gels that give a soft hold, not a hard hold for my edges, because my edges naturally are thick and they're very long and I don't want to damage my edges anytime soon. I don't want to ruin them. I don't want my hairline to recede because that would just be a disaster. So that's not what I'm looking for with my edges. So yeah, so with all that being said, this product works for me and I would recommend it to you guys. However, different things work for different people. That's just a little disclaimer that I wanted to get out there. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please make sure that you do that. Go and click the subscribe button and click the bell next to it so your post notifications will be on every time I upload a new video, so you guys will be notified. So yeah, make sure that you go and subscribe to my channel. I really want to hit 1K basically by the end of June, maybe even before. That would be my dream if I could hit 1K before June. It would literally be my dream, but we'll see. But anyway guys, I'm not gonna ramble anymore. Make sure you subscribe and yeah, let's get into the video. So the product that I'm gonna be using to lay my edges is by Shea Moisture. It is the raw shea and Kapuaku, I know I said that wrong, but anyway, Frizz Defense Styling Gel Cream. It's got Passiflora, Flora and pistachio oils. It says it defines and it's humidity proof for thick wavy hair. So it even says what hair type is recommended for, but even though that's what it says, that doesn't mean that anyone else who doesn't have wavy hair can't try it, you know. This is a conditioning styling gel which provides crunch-free definition, which is what I love, okay, shine with lasting hold to thick wavy hair. It's got Amazonian Kapuaku certified organic raw shea butter, Passiflora and pistachio oil blends, which protects, well, with a protective formula that smooths and shields humidity prone hair against weather conditions and pollution that can cause frizzy flyaways and poofing. What I use to slick my edges is a toothbrush. I don't use this on my teeth, that is disgusting. I use this one specifically for my hair. As you can see, it's got hair in it, which is gross, but anyway. I use this to lay down my baby hairs, but yeah, these are what I use basically. Okay, so these are my edges. This is what my hairline looks like. So Yeah, I left my hair up in a pineapple as well so you can see it properly, because if my hair was down, y'all wouldn't be able to see anything, but this is what it looks like basically. So yeah, so I'm gonna take my gel glob, just came out, so this is what it looks like. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in real close. Oh my god, this is difficult. I'm just gonna start off at the bottom here and just kind of brush it down into my hair like that. It's kind of hard to see because I'm using my little viewfinder, just like that, because that's the first one done. I'm gonna take, and with my edges, it doesn't take me long to do them because my hair naturally wants to flow in that direction, so I'm just going with whatever it wants. See, look, I'm brushing it here, but it wants to do its own thing. So when it comes to like the ends, I put the gel on it as well, so it kind of curls up, and I just, see what I mean? Love them. Okay, so I'm just gonna do these little side burny bits as well. Just get, see, it just does what it wants to do, and I just leave it majority of the time, because the more I fiddle with it and the more I try to like force it to do something else, it's not gonna work. So I just leave it to do pretty much what it wants to do. Moving on to this side, I won't really move my mirror so I can see. I'm gonna just again go down and kind of just allow it to just flow. Let me just get these ends real quick. So again, I get the ends, I just let it do whatever it wants to do. Ends like that. This is probably like the easiest baby hair tutorial you could possibly see, because I don't do much to my baby hairs. I just leave them to do whatever the hell they want to do, really. But again, do the same thing on the top. Okay, so that. And I don't try to make them look symmetrical on either side, because that would just look very unnatural and very, very weird. So I just leave them to just go wherever they want to go. So this one already wants to go up there, so I'm just going to brush it down and kind of guide it to go back where it wants to go. Just like that. Can you guys see? Oh, this looks kind of messy. Just, and this gel really defines my edges, I can't lie. Well, you guys can see it for yourself. I don't even need to explain. So I'm gonna get this, then brush this bit down, then get that. So guys, can you see? So, and then I'm going to take this little piece because it kind of looks a bit bold. So what I do is I kind of just smooth it up like that. That kind of, basically, yeah. And there we have it. That's how I do my baby hairs. So simple, so easy. It doesn't take me long at all to do these, really, because I just leave it to do whatever it wants to do. That's the key to my baby hairs. Don't force it. Just let it go where it wants to go naturally. If it wants to curl in that direction, then help it curl in that direction. If it wants to curl in the other direction, then help it curl in the other direction. Because if you force it to do a different thing, it's not gonna flow nicely. But yeah guys, so that's the end of the tutorial. Super easy, super quick. That's how I lay my edges all the time, using this one product. And even though I thought that that amount of gel was too much, I actually used all of it. And because the gel is so watery and so runny, you can actually get away with using a lot. I can't lie to you. But yeah, so this is how my edges look, just super wavy. It's really nice, and that's how I like them to look. And my edges will stay like this for the whole day, and they won't dry looking hard. They'll dry looking very soft, which is what I love. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it was super helpful and that it was easy. And if you do use this product to lay your edges, make sure you let me know down below. That would be amazing. And yeah, like I said, if you're new to my channel, make sure that you guys subscribe. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.